Hello everyone, welcome to Workstatus. In this video, we are going to know about the member designation setting. Come up to the side menu, click on settings and under member and role select member designation. This defines the level or the position that an employee are holding inside your organization. You can have it enabled by toggling it to the right, and you can click on add designation button to add a designation to a specific member. And then once the designation is added, once you are inviting the member, the designation can be added at that time. Now these designations once added from here are listed down here. Against the three dots, you can just click and you can delete the designation and even edit it. You can search from the search column, and while inviting the member, you can add the designation to the specific member. This was all about the member designation setting. Thank you.